To make the newly opened sugarcane juice shop more diverse, I added chrysanthemum ginseng juice. Includes arhat fruit, longan, mulberry, chrysanthemum, rock sugar, fragrant leaves, and artichoke extract. Buy fragrant leaves washed and cut into small pieces. Put 5 liters of water on the stove. Put all the ingredients in the pot except chrysanthemum, fragrant leaves, and rock sugar. Heat until boiling and continue to boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put all the remaining ingredients into the pot and cook for another 15 minutes. Then turn off the stove. Incubate in the pot for another 5 minutes and filter the water, discarding the residue. Let the water cool and bottle. Store in the refrigerator for later use. Chrysanthemum ginseng is delicious and refreshing with a mild sweet ginseng taste, soft and delicious. Longan helps cool down and is very good for the body. Go to the kitchen and make it right away.